What's up, YouTube? It's for sale here, 9-0. Break number 3, 2012 Elite. It is 1 p.m. on Monday, August the 6th. Guys, very sorry for the delay in this. This national convention has really thrown a wrinkle in our break schedule because we've been down there every day. But that is over. We're back and shouldn't have any further delays, but I do apologize for the ones thus far. Those of you in break number 1 and 2, you're still waiting on your cards. I have those here and try to get everything in the mail tomorrow. Just been down there every day and haven't had a chance to literally do anything. I didn't think it was going to be like that, but that's the way it ended up. So, apologize to all our regulars and the new guys that were waiting for this break, especially our little Raiders fan that was hoping we'd do this last night. Sorry we couldn't get it done for you, but hopefully we can make up for it here. Alright, we're going to start with box number 5 of the case. Box number 1 of the break, 5300191554009. And again, thank you all for joining and for your patience with us. Again, this is not regular. We're usually very timely with this stuff, as most of you know. So, enough apologizing, let's get to breaking. We're going to try to do this quick and make it fun for everybody. Alright, Welker, Vincent Jackson. It's a nice hit to start for the Giants. 16 of 24, David Wilson. Status auto, 16 of 24 for the Giants. Ray Rice, Victor Cruz. Andre Johnson, Nate Washington, Bobby Wagner, rookie for the Seahawks, $9.99. Colt McCoy, Ryan Matthews. 3 20-pack boxes here in this break. Ponder, Steve Johnson, McFadden, Rogers, Hasselbeck. Romo, Willis, London Fletcher, hit list to $9.99. Jared Allen, Ryan Fitzpatrick. Matt Schaub, Fitzgerald, Urlacher, Sanchez, and Laurinaitis. Cobb, Breeze, Elite Series, Ruben Randall, $9.99. Revis and Peyton Hillis. Cutler, Foster, Arakpo, Antonio Gates, Greg Jennings. Brady, Newton, Seymour, Johnson, Peterson. Murray, Alex Smith, Harrison Smith, rookie status for the Vikings, 14 of 22. Nice hit there for the Vikes. Fred Jackson, Plexico Burris. Reggie Wayne, Beanie Wells, Hard Hats, Doug Martin for the Bucks, Clear Parallel, Acetate, DeMarcus Ware, Matt Castle, Julio Jones, Jimmy Graham, Ryan Tannehill rookie to $6.99 for the Dolphins. A little short printed, Steven Jackson, Eric Berry, Forte, Rashard Mendenhall, Matt Stafford, New Breed, Jersey, A.J. Jenkins for the 49ers, numbered to 342. 342, A.J. Jenkins, Matt Ryan, Eli Manning. Gronkowski, Steve Smith, James Anderson for the Panthers, $9.99. Greg Little and Heath Miller. Vic, Von Miller, Miles Austin, Craftsman, numbered to $9.99. Charles Woodson, LeGarrette Blount. Vernon Davis, Maurice Jones-Drew, Harrison Smith rookie, $9.99. Reggie Bush and Deshaun Jackson. Michael Turner, Darren Sproles, first auto hit for the Steelers, David DeCastro, turn of the century rookie auto, numbered to $3.99. $3.99 DeCastro. McGahee and Marshawn Lynch. Devin Hester, Ben Roethlisberger, Ben Jarvis, Green Ellis, numbered to $9.99. Jamal Charles and Roddy White. Halou Jr., Ben Jarvis, Green Ellis, Danny Cole, rookie for the Cowboys, Marquise Colston, and Andy Dalton. D'Angelo Williams, Carson Palmer, Jason Witten, Polamalu, and Calvin Johnson. Oh, we had the other auto, the status auto was our first pack. Frank Gore, Peyton Manning, we have a redemption. Sam Bradford and Anquan Bolden, and our redemption is 2012 Donruss Elite Aspirations Signatures Die Cut, Bruce Irvin. Bruce Irvin, I'm not sure who that is. I want to say Seahawks, but I don't know that for sure, so do a quick Google, Bruce Irvin, or a quick eBay search, Elite Auto 181. Bruce Irvin, card number 181, not sure what team that is, but redemption auto hit, so 3 autos in that box. Not bad. I think you're only supposed to get 2. But anyway, here we go with box number 6. 530019161839. Those of you that are wondering what in the world I'm doing with this box number 5, 6, all this stuff, before we opened any boxes in this case, we had an ID video of the sealed case, identifying all the boxes in the case and in what order they would be opened. So some of you watch those, some of you don't care, but those of you that are wondering what in the world is this guy doing, that's what it is. So just keeps anybody from questioning anybody's integrity and helps things run smoother. And anyway, here we go. Box number 2, pack number 1. DeMarcus Ware, Matt Castle, Kellen Moore, rookie, $9.99. Ben Roethlisberger and Roy Halou Jr. Ray Rice, Victor Cruz, auto for the Packers, Mark Tyler. Turn of the century, the $6.99. Mark Tyler, Green Ellis, and D'Angelo Williams. McCoy, Matthews, Elite Series, Michael Floyd, $9.99. Peyton Manning, Carson Palmer, Jason Witten. Rodgers, Matt Hasselbeck, Michael Smith, rookie for the Bucks, number to $9.99. Frank Gore, Kevin Cobb. Jared Allen, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Mark Sanchez, Drew Brees, and Jay Cutler. Polamalu, Calvin Johnson, Sam Bradford, Matt Stafford, Rob Gronkowski. Bolden, Revis, Lamar Miller, $7.99. Steve Smith, Michael Vick. Peyton Hillis, Antonio Gates, Greg Jennings. Down and distance, Anthony Fasano, jersey, $2.99. Von Miller, Vernon Davis. Chris Johnson, Adrian Peterson, prime numbers, Andy Dalton, number to $9.99. Jones Drew and Michael Turner. Fred Jackson, Plexico Burris, Tony Romo, Craftsman, Darren Sproles, Devin Hester. Craftsman to $9.99 also. Heath Miller, Charles Woodson, Elite Series, Wes Welker, $9.99, no significant serial number. Fitzgerald and Brian Urlacher. Blunt, Reggie Bush, rookie inscriptions, auto, Nick Toon for the Saints. Nick Toon, rookie inscriptions, auto. A nice hit there for New Orleans. LaShawn McCoy and Tim Tebow. Deshaun Jackson, Willis McGahee, Courtney Upshaw, rookie, numbered to $9.99. Tavares Jackson and Blaine Gabbert. Lynch, Charles, White, Julio Jones, Jimmy Graham. Colston, Andy Dalton, hit list James Anderson, $9.99. Matt Forte and Richard Mendenhall. Brandon Jacobs, AJ Green, Phillip Rivers, New Breed, Ronnie Hillman jersey, numbered to $3.99. $3.99 Ronnie Hillman. Wes Welker, Vincent Jackson. Clay Matthews, Josh Freeman, hard hats. BJ Coleman for the Packers, numbered to $3.99. Pretty cool looking cards. Andre Johnson, Nate Washington. Brandon Marshall, Joe Flacco, Dominican Sue, Ponder, and Steve Smith. Steven Jackson, Eric Berry, Matt Ryan, McFadden, Tony Romo, and the last pack of this box, Eli Manning, Greg Little. We have an Aspirations rookie, not auto. David Wilson, same player that we pulled the auto of earlier, numbered to 96 for the Giants. David Wilson, Patrick Willis, and Matt Schaub. Alright, so pack number 2, or box number 2 of the break is done. We're moving on to box number 3 of the break. 7 of the case, 5300, 1916, 2354. Here we go. Seemed like the auto came out right away, the first two, so let's shuffle them up a little bit. Welker, Vincent Jackson, Ladarius Green, rookie for the Chargers, Roddy White, and Marquise Colston. Andre Johnson, Nate Washington, Ponder, Dalton, and Polamalu. Steve Johnson, Darren McFadden, Ruben Randall, rookie series, numbered to $9.99. Calvin Johnson and Sam Bradford. Romo, Willis, Shaw, Bolden, Rivas. McCoy, Tebow, Tavares Jackson, down and distance, Plaxico Burress, jersey, numbered to $2.99. Neat looking color on that swatch. Jennings and Chris Johnson. Blaine Gabbert, Julio Jones, hard hats. T.Y. Hilton for the Colts. Adrian Peterson and Fred Jackson. Jimmy Graham, Matt Forte, Elite Series Gold, Deshaun Jackson, numbered to 149, parallel. Plaxico Burress, DeMarcus Ware. Mendenhall, Stafford, George Iloka, rookie, numbered to 9.99, Matt Castle and Ray Rice. Wayne, Beanie Wells, here we go, there's a nice hit for Miami. Ryan Tannehill, rookie aspirations auto. 49 of 49 for Tannehill and the Dolphins. Probably the best hit thus far. Davis, Maurice Jones-Drew, Michael Egnew for the Dolphins, $7.99. Matt Hasselbeck and Jared Allen. Come on, Raider. Michael Turner, Darren Sproles, Devin Hester, Fitzpatrick, and Sanchez. Fitzgerald, Brian Urlacher, David Wilson, $7.99 for the Giants. Definitely been a Giants and Dolphins break thus far. Antonio Gates and Peyton Hillis. Roethlisberger, Halou Jr., Green Ellis. Like I said, Dolphins, Lamar Miller, New Breed jersey, $3.99. $3.99. Laurinaitis and somebody, Dwayne Bowe. D'Angelo Williams, Carson Palmer, Eli Manning, prime numbers, insert, numbered to $9.99. Ray Lewis and Brandon Jacobs. Alright, enough stuff for Miami and the Giants. Get some of these other teams in the race here. Witten, Gore, Manning, Green, Rivers. Not going to do it with 5 base cards. Cobb, Breeze, Cutler, Matthews, and Freeman. Now, here we go. Foster, Brian Arakpo. Alright, somebody other than a Dolphin or a Giant. Oh, there we go. Eagles. So this one's for the Eagles. And it is Michael Vick. It is an Aspirations numbered 8 of 93. Just missed that jersey number on Vick. 8 of 93 Vick die cut for the Eagles. Brandon Marshall, Joe Flacco. Brady and Cam Newton. Here's an RG3, not an auto, but to $9.99. Elite Series Silver, RG3, not too bad. Ndamukong Suh and Steven Jackson. I'll help take care of some of that skin spot anyway. Gronkowski, Steve Smith. Aspirations Auto for Arizona, Ryan Lindley. Numbered 22 of 49, Ryan Lindley Auto. Victor Cruz, Colt McCoy. Recap video coming here in a second. So hang around. Last pack, Vic, Von Miller, Maurice Jones-Drew, $9.99. Ryan Matthews, Aaron Rodgers. Alright, thank you guys very much for joining. Again, I severely apologize for the delays in getting this up. We're just doing a quick little sort here off camera, and then we will do a quick recap video, show you guys all the hits. So if you want to hang around for a second, try to keep you entertained here while I'm sorting, and we're almost ready to go. Alright, we'll start with the jerseys. We had a new breed, AJ Jenkins for the 49ers. Down and distance, Anthony Fasano for the Dolphins. New breed, Hillman for the Broncos. Down and distance, Burris for the Jets. And a new breed, Lamar Miller for the Dolphins. Non-auto parallels, status, Harrison Smith, numbered to 22 for the Vikings, 14 of 22. David Wilson to 96 for the Giants, 47 of 96. And the Mike Vick, 8 of 93, just missing the jersey number there, 8 of 93 for the Eagles. Auto hits, David Wilson, 16 of 24, status auto for the Giants. David DeCastro, turn of the century for the Steelers. Number to $3.99, we have the Bruce Irvin die cut, and I'm pretty sure, the more I think about it, I have a few base cards of him on the Seahawks. I'm pretty sure that's a Seahawk hit. Bruce Irvin, Aspirations, Signatures die cut. Not sure what they're numbered to though, but it will be numbered. Mark Tyler, turn of the century for the Packers, to $6.99. We had the rookie inscriptions hit, Nick Toon. Those are not numbered, but they are short printed. I think the red is a little more short printed. That one is a blue ink auto. Nick Toon for the Saints. Ryan Lindley, rookie aspirations die cut for the Cardinals, numbered to 49, 22 of 49. .22 of 49 for the Cardinals. And probably the hit of the break, the Ryan Tannehill rookie aspirations auto, also numbered to 49, but this one, the last one, 49 of 49 for Tannehill for the Dolphins. Alright, so there was our recap for break number 3. Break number 4 has not been listed, but will be in the next few days. We're trying to get everything caught up from the National still. Any questions, let me know, guys. We'll get these cards in the mail as soon as possible. Thank you for your patience. There's your break. These 3 stacks here, and the smaller stack of the hits. And again, breaks number 1 and break number 2 are still back here. Still haven't sent them out. And again, I severely apologize for that. Trying to get everything caught up. So thank you guys again for joining, and let me know if you have any questions. Again, thank you for all your patience, and enjoy your week. Thank you.